Hi everyone, Jean Lawson here. I'm just going to do a very quick warm-up exercise, and I'm splashing water at the moment on a little 5x7 card, and I'm just going to use three colors. I've got Payne's Grey, Raw Sienna, and I think the other one was Burnt Sienna. And I'm just, as I said, doing a warm-up exercise. I haven't planned anything, and I just want to see how these colors work together. And I want to do a sort of I have an idea of it's like a semi-abstract landscape, and I'm using my palette knife to add the paint to the partially wet paper, and I'm just going to let the paint do its magic and to help create this semi-abstract that may or may not turn out. And I'm using my pipette to add water to create to let the paint run and create some textures. And I'm liking the combination of colors right now. I like the way the Payne's Grey turns into a sort of greeny, muted green when mixed with the raw sienna. I'm liking that a lot, and I'm liking the textures that are happening here. And I'm just carrying the color up into the sky and trying to decide what to do next to see if I can come up with an idea for a painting. I've used so much water now that I have to add more paint with my palette knife and get some more textures going in the lower half of the painting. I love doing this kind of painting. It's really fun because you can just let go. You don't have to have this pressure of creating something. Now I'm just adding some distant hills because I have an idea now to just have a very simple landscape, semi-abstract landscape, and I'm using the Payne's Grey to get these distant hills. And now I'm just adding a little bit of raw sienna into that to get some variety into those distant hills. Just mopping up some of the excess water and refining the lower area. Adding back some more thick paint to get some of those darks back into the landscape area. When you've got this much water on the paper, you have to keep adding neat paint from the tube to get the results you want, because the paint, remember, dries a lot lighter. Now I've decided that I'm going to just add some pine trees into this to create a very simple landscape. As I said, this is not a painting, it's just an exercise, but it helps me to loosen up for a painting. And I just really enjoy doing this, and it's a lot of fun. Just adding in a quick nondescript sky. and touch up the trees again. I hope you enjoyed this little exercise, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.